Hey guys, if you're running a Shopify store and you don't have this app installed, then you're leaving money on the table. The Shopify app we're going to go through today is Yotpo, also previously known as SMS bump. I'm going to show you the exact strategy I use to generate 100x ROI with this one app. I'm just going to press the refresh button. And as you can see, in the past 30 days, we spent $50 on SMSs and for ROI of 100x, 82 orders and around $5,000 in revenue. Now guys, that is insane ROI. Like, you'll literally never see anything like this. And this app will increase your conversion rates, especially if you're struggling to make sales. As you can see in the revenue sources, automation is where the money is getting spent and where the money comes in. This is actually an old system and they've actually moved on to flows. However, I haven't actually migrated over to flows just because the automations are working so well. So there's actually two steps that we need to take. The first step is creating your floating button, and the next step is actually creating your SMS messages. So the first thing we want to do is head over to audience on the left, and the first page is the page we want to land on, subscriber collection tools. We're going to go down, we got pop-up, spin to win, keyword, social opt-in. However, for me, I like the floating button form. So you can actually show all tools here. And personally for me, I don't use the pop-up on Yotpo because Clavier's pop-up appears on my website. And so that's why I have a floating button. The floating button allows your customers to sign up to your SMS subscription so that you can start sending them messages. You want to present your customers with an irresistible offer so that they can't turn down signing up. Whether that's 5%, 10% or even 20% off their first order, you need to decide how much you can give. After you set up your floating button, we're going to move over to flows and automations. So heading over to automations. As you can see, I have 3 SMS messages sending out. The first one is abandoned cart after 1 day, description form, which is the welcome SMS, and then the third one is abandoned cart SMS after 5 minutes. The reason why I have the 8-hour one switched off is because I believe there's a new law where you can't send 2 SMSs in 1 day, and that's why I got one in 5 minutes and one after a day. So essentially with your welcome SMS, all you're going to include in text message is, hey there, welcome to the store. As promised, here's your special X% off coupon. Use code XYZ and then tap to shop store URL. It's as simple as that, guys. You don't need to go fancy with it. However, if you want to see what other brands are doing for their SMS messages, what I usually type in Google is best welcome SMS messages that e-commerce brands send. And then you want to skip the sponsored parts and then go down here, confirmation, thank you, sign up, etc. Master the welcome series. So let's just see this one. So in this example, they do send an image and then their shop name, Funboy. Guys would now text official, welcome to the Funboy. For partners in fun, here's 10% off. The code XYZ automatically applied with this link. So that's their welcome message. And then onto this one. This one's next day, Funboy sends subscribers a follow-up message reminding them to use the promo code. They also use this time to promote their new line of products. Thought we were going to be besties, maybe this will help. Just drop down the latest collection. Another URL, don't forget your code in the thread above. And this one was a final text message 4 days later reminding customers to use the discount code. So this is actually a flow you can set up with Yotpo, and I should probably look into this. Love Pop, welcome to Love Pop. We're so glad you're here. You'll be the first to know about our newest designs and exclusive offers. Anytime, reply stop. Blah, blah. They didn't actually offer any discount here. However, as a dropshipping store, you should offer a discount code. So yeah, there's a lot of examples here. And you can just check out all the other blogs out there and see what other brands are writing for their messages. So moving on to the second SMS message that I send out is the abandoned cart SMS after 5 minutes. And before I click edit, you can see that over here, I've actually generated over 65k from this SMS alone, and that's actually just an all-time figure. I'm just click edit automation. I don't want to convert it to flows. Once that's loaded, Just name this automation as abandoned cart SMS after 5 minutes. Go down, set the delay message by 5 minutes here. Make sure that's toggled on. The next thing you're going to do is write a simple text message that your customers receive when they abandon their cart. As you can see, the message I sent to my customer is super simple and I'm happy for you guys to copy it. So, hey first name, did you forget something in your cart? Take X% off your next purchase with code XYZ. Make sure this offer in the text message is better than the previous offer you sent in the welcome message. This so that you can capture any customers that thought your products were still too expensive. For example, if you offered 10% coupon in your welcome message, then you can increase the offer in this SMS message by either 2 to 5%. You can also experiment with the short codes below here so that you can include dynamic text and links in your SMS message. As you can see here, there's so many short codes that you can add in, and that's why you can see site name, first name, etc. And basically this SMS is complete and it's time to move on to the next one. And the third one I have set up is the abandoned cart SMS 2 after 1 day. Edit automation. And make sure to change the delay message by setting to 1 day. And the text message is just simple again. Shop name, don't be disappointed, our products are selling out fast. Knock X% off your order with code discount code. Get it before it's gone. And then abandon checkout URL. All these floating buttons here is literally these short codes. You see? Just adding them in. So there you have it guys, that's my exact strategy that I use to set up my SMS messages to increase conversion rates. If you want to set up your own SMS automations, I would suggest using Yotpo's flows instead of their automations, as flows are more advanced and smarter. And this is the tab that you have to click on to create your flows. They recommend welcome new subscribers, browse abandonment, abandoned checkout, and also low in stock. Once you've set up your floating button as well as your flows, it's time to test your website to make sure that everything is working. That means checking your floating button appears, signing up with your number, and then seeing if you receive a welcome message. And if that works, then it's time to test out the abandoned cart flows as well as the other flows that you've set up. And so yeah, that's it guys, that is how I spent $50 with Yotpo to generate $5,000 in revenue, which is 100x ROI. I also want to give a massive shout out to my first member of this channel, Did Super, thank you for becoming a member. And since you're the only member, I will be reviewing your website as you won the giveaway. So leave a comment on my recent video or message me on Discord at the ECOM zone, and then I can just review your website. And if you want to support the channel or you're looking for a way to give back, then becoming a member of the ECOM zone will go a long way. You can simply click on this join button and there's 3 zones that you could join. So zone 1, the perk is custom emojis and these badges, but you also enter for a chance to win a website review. Every month I'll pick one winner in each giveaway, and this one, zone 1, it'll be a website review. Zone 2, it'll be a discovery call, so it's a 30-minute call with me and we could go through any questions, review your site or optimize your funnel, etc. But it's capped at 30 minutes. And zone 3 is a growth call giveaway, and that's basically a 1-hour call with me on Discord, and we'll run through your metrics, optimize your funnels, make you become more profitable, and this again is a monthly giveaway. If you found this video valuable, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Peace.